Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
First, enable developer mode in the Oculus app on your phone. This unlocks sideloading options for your Quest 2. Next, install Oculus PC drivers or a DB on your computer so the headset can communicate. Use a USB-C cable to connect the Quest 2 to your computer and accept the debugging prompt inside the headset. Confirm your PC recognizes the device with the command "a DB devices." Keep your headset awake and allow any permissions requested during this process to avoid interruptions. Download the Amaze File Manager APK to your computer from a trusted source. Verify the APK file name and location so you can reference it in commands. Open a terminal or command prompt and navigate to the folder containing the APK file. Use the command "adb install ramaze" app to install the app onto your Quest 2 quickly. Watch the terminal for success messages and errors. If the headset prompts, allow unknown sources in settings to permit the new app to run properly. After installation, open the headset and navigate to Library, then Unknown Sources. Launch Amaze from Unknown Sources under Apps inside the Quest 2 interface to start file management. Grant any requested storage permissions so Amaze can access internal files and external folders. Use Amaze to browse internal and external storage, copy, move, and delete files as needed for mods or media transfers. To update or remove Amaze, rerun a DB install R or a DB uninstall with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.